Welcome to CMC Engineering Export GmbH, a proud member of the Melchers Group. In our logo, the M is not just a letter, it is the king of light, a symbol of strength and brilliance, echoing our commitment to excellence. Explore the golden triangle within M. Each side represent customer, manufacturer, and CMC, a trinity of commitment. Vertices symbolize past, present, and future, anchoring our journey and forming the dynamic core of CMC Engineering Export GmbH. Merge of M and golden triangle, strange meets commitment. CMC Engineering, where C embodies consumables quality dedication, M symbolize machinery, the heartbeat of our innovation, and C for customer care. Engineering encapsulates expertise in consumables, machinery, and customer care, promising excellence. Behold our logo embraced by two squares, embodying solidity and perfection, dynamic yet static. Signifying permanence, safety, and a meeting place for innovation, these squares are the heart of the industry, capturing our enduring commitment. Our significant colors: blue, canvas of trust, responsibility; loyalty, authority, honesty, and commitment. Gold, the hue of success, wealth, prosperity, prestige, compassion, and confidence. White, the embodiment of honorable and merchant virtues, adds purity. Unveiling the identity of CMC Engineering, join our journey defined by innovation, commitment, and excellence. Explore the intricate tapestry of our logo, where each symbol tells a story of strength, dedication, and the heart of the industry. Join us in shaping the future with trust, prosperity, and a commitment to engineering excellence. CMC Engineering, where innovation meets integrity, and every detail is a promise kept.